Question number 1. Draw a triangle ABC with AB is equals to 5 centimeter, angle A is equals to 70 degrees and angle B is equals to 60 degrees. Draw the circumcircle of triangle ABC. Circumcircle means the circle which is going to cover the whole triangle. Is a center inside or outside the triangle? So let us start drawing. So first of all, they said that with AB 5 centimeter. So we are going to draw AB 5 centimeter. Here I am using pen. You have to use only pencil. So this is our AB, that is 5 centimeter. After doing this, we need to draw from point A. We need to construct 70 degrees. So let us construct. This line should coincide with this and the point A should overlap with this vertex. Okay, and from here you need to see 70. Don't get confused, one more 70 is here, okay, which comes from this side. So we are here. So this is our 70 degrees. Now let us draw a ray. Next, from B we need to draw 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Where these two are meeting is a point C. Okay, so here first we took as 70 degrees and this is our 60 degrees, and we already know 180 minus this 2, we will get 50. Okay, now we need to draw the perpendicular bisectors. So we have to take the compass, make sure the tips both should be at the same height. They should have the same length. Now to draw the perpendicular bisector, we need to take more than half of AB. So this is more than half of AB. Draw an arc. Join them. Now we will draw the perpendicular bisector of BC. Okay, again we need to take more than half of B and C. Let us join them. You can construct one more perpendicular bisector, but I think this is enough. Only two are enough. This is our center O. With O and A as radius, OA as radius, you just check with OC also, okay, and OB. After checking this, now we can draw the circle. This is our required circle, and if you see, if you find out the angle C, now Angle C is 180 minus, we need to subtract this 2, 70 plus 60, which is equals to 70 plus 60 is 130, 50. Since all the angles of the triangle are less than 90, okay, we can see that the triangle is acute angled. In an acute angled triangle, the circumcenter lies inside the triangle. Therefore, the center is inside the triangle.